Hello everyone, this is Kim of Love at Home, and today I will be making a chicken plus whatever I have in the pantry recipe 1. So hopefully this is something that you will consider cooking, and let's get right into it. So this will be the current ingredients for chicken and whatever I have, recipe 1. So I will be having chicken, 1 big onion sliced, minced garlic, about 5 cloves, this coconut milk, which we had in the pantry for quite some time, but it's not expired, what do you call this? Pepper, salt, a bit of chili powder, and oil. Okay, so make sure your pan is hot. You can add the oil. I'm just trying to eyeball everything. Okay. And then you add your chicken. So my heat is about medium heat. And make sure you pat dry your chicken, because if it's still a bit wet, you're gonna be having all these what do you call that, like you know what I mean. Like all oil will go all over you. So as of now, I'm just gonna add the 3 chicken, because we do not want to put so many chicken at a time. Try to switch sides. So we just want it to be a little bit brown before removing everything and then sauteing the onions and the garlic. Now we should lower the heat and then add the garlic, onions. We're just gonna mix it all together. I know I'm not using a spatula, but hey, I'm too lazy to clean a spatula. So we have those days. Make sure you break it all up. I'm gonna increase the heat a little bit, like low medium. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So there you go, about 1/4 teaspoon. And for salt, just a bit. You don't have to be too generous with this, but yeah, you can just add salt or pepper, or you cannot add salt or pepper if that's not your thing. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm just gonna continue to saute everything. Let the flavor mix all together. So I didn't realize that the camera was off a while ago, so it just turned off all of a sudden. But after I put the chili powder, I've added the coconut milk here to the onion and garlic mixture, and then I've just let it mix it all together, and right now I added the chicken. So probably I'm gonna leave this for about, say, 30 minutes, just so the flavors will get to know each other and we'll be ready to eat this.
30 minutes later.
30 minutes is up. So we're gonna turn off the heat. Gonna try this out. So we're gonna put this on a plate. Hopefully it tastes good. Okay, let me just give this a try. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think it could use a little bit more chili, but it's not bad. Ah, good job. You can try this out. If you reach this part, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and click the bell icon to notify you that I upload every Thursday on lifestyle, cooking, and cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next week!